Classroom 365 offers discounted iPads for schools, emphasizing the 9th generation iPad's affordability and suitability for classroom solutions. Their services include iPads for teaching, iPad trolley solutions, and mobile device management, MDM, for easy device management. While iPads benefit education, the cost is a drawback compared to Chromebooks. Education prices provide a 5 to 10% discount, increasing with quantity. iPads enhance literacy, numeracy, and communication skills, with additional benefits for children with cognitive delays. They contribute to eco-friendly practices, support outdoor learning, and develop essential skills. Classroom 365 recommends cloud-based MDM tools like Meraki and Jamf School for effective iPad management. Proper Wi-Fi, rugged cases, and managed wireless solutions are crucial for successful iPad deployment in schools. For inquiries, contact Classroom 365.